Making memories starts with something special. The exclusive Echelon II Series gas fireplace creates a place to relax and enjoy life. Active flames and interior options give this contemporary fireplace a unique look. The Echelon II Series has the latest advances in technology, along with easy-to-use touch controls. Get lost in its fire and the brilliance of glass, illuminated by lights. Echelon II Series has a variety of heat management solutions, which allows a TV just 12 inches above the fireplace. Come home to the single-sided or see-through Echelon II Series gas fireplace and enjoy the entertainment and romance you deserve. Visit your local dealer or majesticproducts.com to learn more.